Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to discuss about if you receive a lot of money on PayPal, let me say more than $1,000, will you get suspended? Or can you even be suspended for receiving multiple payments on your PayPal account in a short time? Okay. Now, my name is Brian. I'm a web developer and a programmer. I usually do websites, and every once in a while, I'm integrating PayPal on someone's website. So I get exposed to a lot of people who are having issues on PayPal, their accounts are being suspended. And also I helped some people who are coming from restricted countries to get working PayPal accounts. So from that background, I have a good answer to that. And I've been using my PayPal for I think it's coming to 10 years. I've lost like 4 accounts actually. So this is what actually I'm going to share. This is what usually actually what I've realized. Okay, now getting suspended for receiving lots of money depends on actually where the money is coming from. First of all, for example, I have a friend, I have a client. She works on. She gets paid from TikTok. Actually, she's coming from a country which is restricted by PayPal. She's coming from Uganda, but she has another account which she created using another country. So she's receiving payments, and I think for the last 5 months, uh, she gets around like $700 to $1,000 every month. Okay, for the last 6 months, and PayPal has never even asked what's the reason for the payments. You know those things which PayPal usually asks. She has no issues, and actually, this is not the only one. I know of like two or three. So getting lots of money from a platform, it's fine. Actually, you're much safer getting a payment from a platform. Maybe you're doing whatever you're doing. Maybe there's a lot of platforms which pay people online. Some of them are donation platform like GoFundMe. You know, there is Fiverr, all that stuff. Okay, so getting payments from those platforms is safe. Actually, I've ever seen actually someone who got like paid like $2,000, and even people didn't even ask his ID. Okay. Now the problem comes if George from, let me say, USA, I've done a website for maybe $1,500. George from USA sends a payment to me. Now the problem comes is PayPal like usually doesn't know maybe George was acting USA or what he intended. And also you who is paid, if I'm paid by George in USA and I disappear, George actually raised a claim to kind of recall the money back to get a refund. PayPal actually, a refund policy tries to actually get George his refund. Now, the problem is, if I disappear, that is a lot of money. Okay. And kind of PayPal may actually have a loss of refunding the other person if they don't find me. Okay. Because the other person can go to his credit card bank, request a refund from his bank. The bank puts the money back. PayPal loses. So when you're getting a payment from a normal person, PayPal is a bit more sensitive than person who is getting a payment from TikTok, because definitely to be paid from TikTok, it means actually work is already done. You are being paid your end of month, whatever. Okay, getting paid from GoFundMe, Go Get Funding, it means actually you receive payment, receive donations, and there's no need of actually them looking into really issues of getting that money back. TikTok is not going to recall that money back, so there's no reason of them being really so suspicious. So getting banned for receiving lots of money depends on where the money is coming from. It's coming from a platform, it is safe. Okay, if it's coming from an individual, it's a bit risky. In fact, actually, I've seen some people losing accounts just because of risky transaction, something like that. Usually, PayPal can suspend you for risky transaction. You haven't scammed anyone, but the kind of a business that you're doing is risky. Okay, so it depends on where the money is coming from. So basically, you won't really be suspended. Sometimes they may ask you some questions. Okay, though to others who are not lucky, they get suspended. Okay, that is the truth. It has ever happened to me. Okay, so so that's what I can say when I talk about will you get suspended if you receive lots of money. Now, another scenario is if you have a new PayPal account, okay, and you receive multiple payments, let me say small payments, like let me say $10, maybe because it happened to me, it happened not me actually, a friend of mine, he got a PayPal account and he was running a campaign for this NGO. Actually, he was using even a donate link. So within a week, he had collected over, I think, $600. It's not really a lot of money, but people were donating like $20, $30, $100. But that money came in a very short time. Remember, it was a new PayPal account that has not even lasted a month. So PayPal suspended him for high risk something. They use that message that comes and they suspend you. Risky whatever activity. Then they suspended him. Okay, it's not like he's come anyone. No, like a lot of payments in a short time. So never create a new PayPal when you're going to run a campaign. Okay, to get you really issues with PayPal, because really these payments are coming from random people. It's better to do that if your account has been running for some time. Okay, it has been running for some time. It's safer if your account has built a record trust with PayPal. You can try to run a campaign. But if you're a new person, you get issues with PayPal running a campaign when your account is new. Now, even if it's old but has been dormant for maybe like 6 months, and out of the blue you get like $3,000 and you have never really received this money, it may not be suspended, but they may really ask a lot of questions. In other words, the more active you are, the more less you get actually suspended on PayPal sometimes. But for high payments, we are looking at 5,000, 1,000. Actually, more than 1,000 is a lot on PayPal. That's what I realized. Seriously, more than 1,000 is a lot on PayPal. So that's what I can say. If you're interested in videos about PayPal, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I usually post a lot about PayPal and ways you can make money online. Okay. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Bye-bye.